Last time's rocket champion was both of them because it was a tie. Now we're going to try it one more time. Okay, get past that flag and see if you can get over the trees if you can. Ready, set, Steve's turn, launch.
Hold on.
Just launch it.
Oh!
Oh, let's see if mark the spot. He got over the trees and made it far. How do you feel, Steve?
Confident. Green's gonna have to do a lot better.
Yeah, I was aiming it right and you don't.
Okay, I was gonna aim it right.
It slipped right off. Just hurry up. Wasting my time.
We didn't even launch it.
Hurry up.
Stick it in that hole.
Okay.
Is that good?
No, oh my god.
Huh?
Aim it towards the freaking flag.
I am.
Yep.
Up.
Good. Just go. 3, 2, 1, launch. Okay, no more readings. The winner is Steve. Okay, so bye.